walking through the woods, and I found something. Trust it, Wyatt? Campground, somebody was kind enough to leave me some firewood, so I decided to be kind enough to build the next person's fire. Light me. Burn it forward. Well, good morning from the Beartooth Highway. We are maybe 10 minutes away from the town of Red Lodge, Montana. And I'm a little sad today because we're leaving the state of Montana. But I'm not that sad because we're going to Wyoming today. So the game plan for the day is a long one. It is a long drive. We're driving from here in the Beartooth Mountains all the way to the Snowy Range in Wyoming, which is almost on the Colorado border. About an 8-hour drive, which is about double what I usually like to do. And the reason that we're going to the Snowy Range is because it's at very high elevation. In fact, it's some of the highest camping in all of North America. So we're gonna try to find camp at over 10,000 feet tonight. The cool thing is I've got some friends there now, some fellow YouTubers, Steve and Audra. That will be the highest that I've ever camped. There's some fun stuff in the area. There's some hikes that I want to go see. There's some mountains I want to go climb and see if this Florida boy can handle life at 10,000 feet. So with that being said, we've got a long day of driving ahead of us. So let's get on the road. We are currently under 7,000 feet of elevation, and we have 23 miles to go to get to our first attempt at a camp spot. So we have quite a bit of climbing to go in the next 23 miles. Right now, I'm breathing fine. I feel like I'm kind of used to this. I've been at 6,000 feet for the last week. I'm acclimating. I'm fine. I'll be fine. It's the hikes that worry me. Boy, you can tell Vandolph is absolutely struggling to get up this mountain. It has gotten steep. We're currently at 9,200 feet, and we've got 6.5 miles to go. But temperatures are staying cool. No issues there. Come on, Vandolph, you got this, buddy. Okay, so our first two pay campgrounds, no luck. They're both full. Kind of weird. Thursday at 3 o'clock. Kind of weird. I did pass a lot of BLM land, so there's plenty of dispersed camping up here. Oh. But this place is pretty. It is very pretty. I feel a little barren, like the rocks in the mountains, but the lakes are. I cannot wait to do these hikes. Friends, you're gonna appreciate these hikes. It's so pretty. There's so many lakes up here. For some reason, my microphone just stopped working here, so I'll explain where we found camp. We found dispersed camping near Steve and Audra. Say hi, Audra. I feel like I've been digital friends with Steve and Audra for probably the last 5 years or so it's a blast getting to camp with them. So after just getting to camp, I had to go for a walk, stretch these legs. Been driving for 8-9 hours, and most importantly, little Wyatt had to go stretch his legs. So we've been walking through the woods, and I found something. Oh, look at this perfect cabin. Please don't be anybody in there. Old garbage can. And this will protect it from bears, probably. What is this? Look at this cabin. Like, look at the scenery behind it. It's beautiful. Minus the giant tree on top of it. Is that an outhouse? No, it's a woodshed. Dude, this is so cool. Oh, you got windows. Are you going in there, buddy? Oh. Oh, it's so awesome. This is like dream cabin material here. This. Oh, I found the bedroom. Found the bedroom. Floors are coming up. The old wood is bowed up. Oh, look at the views you would have in this cabin. Do you trust it, Wyatt? Do you trust it? I don't know if I trust it. Awesome. It is kind of a dream to have a log cabin in the woods. I'll be honest. I don't know where, but maybe right here. We could restore this, right? Yeah, we could restore this. The living room. There's that. There's that tree that's on the roof. This is so cool. See, and then you'd step out your side door to this. Yeah, I'm all about it. Oh. I mean, look at these views. That is too cool. What? Give me that ball. So I have to say that at almost 11,000 feet, every task is a chore. I just get winded. I got winded putting the canopy up. Getting winded playing ball with Wyatt. It's just... It's just such high elevation. But it feels nice. Did you find the lake? So when we were exploring this dispersed camping area last night, little Wyatt found a lake. It's not much of one, but it's a lake. Do you want your ball? Look, I brought your ball. You gonna go in? Go get it. Go get your ball. Good boy. Your ball sunk. Oh no, we may have lost another one. I see it. That water's super clear. I'm not going in, it's too cold. Ah, this ground is so wet. This is just a reminder, I need to get Wyatt more balls. He goes through them so fast. And I just have to say, what an awesome night I had last night and today. It's so fun hanging out with friends. I never get to camp with friends. I don't know why that is. I guess I don't have many friends. So last night, Steve made pizza and I made quesadillas out of some leftovers. It was just an awesome, awesome evening. And we just hung out and watched for moose because moose frequent this area. You can tell this is clearly moose country. Oh, buddy, you lost your ball. And then this morning I made bacon, egg, and cheese breakfast sandwiches. Delicious. I'll make those on the channel one of these days. Tomorrow I'm going to show you why I chose the Snowy Range to go to. It's so beautiful. Just driving here, the drive was just stunning. Oh no! Gross! Wyatt! Jeez! Go get your ball! Oh my god! Oh no! Buddy, we're gonna have to get you a new ball. I'm sorry. Well, good morning from the Snowy Range. And I guess I probably should have told you why I came to the Snowy Range. But first and foremost, let's all just appreciate Libby Lake for a second. Not bad, right? Wyatt approves. So I chose exploring here because it's always been pinned on my Google Maps, per usual. But also, everything here is high elevation. So if you hear me huffing and puffing, and I know I've mentioned it earlier, but everything here, we're at like 10,500 feet, and I think we're gonna do some climbing today. But we're gonna see multiple lakes, and I think it's just gonna be a pretty day. But anyway, the elevation, because of weather. It's almost mid-August, so it is very hot. Even way up here, it's hot. It's in the mid to high 80s. But I'm just trying to avoid that high 90s that we've been in. And also, I'm gonna give you a little bit of a spoiler alert. I'm gonna go explore Colorado. I've just been thinking about Colorado so much, and this is just a great jumping off point from where I was in northern Montana. This mountain range is like 2 hours north of Colorado. And so we're gonna be doing a lot of Colorado adventures for the next, I don't know, 10 to 12 episodes probably, maybe more. But it all starts with today's adventure. So let's go hiking, friends. Wildflower season is definitely popping up here. This is Lewis Lake, and it looks pretty similar. Similarly beautiful. I just got a tip from a local. From here on out, we don't call them the Snowy Range. Oh no, we just call them the Snowies. We're hiking in the Snowies. Currently at 10,900 feet. I feel it. All right, 11,000 feet, fun perspective. First lake was Libby Lake, Lewis Lake. I think that might be String Lake, I don't know. But great perspective up here. It's a lot different than Florida. Yeah. This little lake here has no name. No name. What should we name it? Send me some ideas. Best one. I'll pin it. I'll pin it on Google Maps. I'll make your name stick. Look what we just found in the Snowies. Hey Wyatt, what do you see over there? Yeah, we're taking a pit stop. You found it. Buddy, you found it. You found the snow! You found the snow! Buddy, you did it! You found the snow! What is that? What is that? Get it! Get that snow! Get that snow! You get that snow! Yes! Snow's the best! One more romp in the snow. Alright, moving on. What do you guys think? You think the water's cold? Let's just see. Yes it is. Alright, so we are almost to our first destination lake, which is South Gap Lake. The best of all the gaps, if you will. I made it. Let's all just pretend that's a glacier. Oh, it's so pretty. Are you going in? You gonna go swimming? I think you can go swimming. I feel like kind of an idiot because I didn't bring any food. No sandwich, no snacks. I didn't have coffee this morning, no breakfast. Wow, it's pretty here. It's real pretty. So we're still at South Gap Lake. This really opens up to a really big lake. Look at this. Here's our glacier from earlier. It's definitely a glacier, not just snow. So little Wyatt certainly isn't slowing down from the elevation, but I definitely am. The headaches are real. But, I mean, talk about worth it. Worth it. That hike was outstanding. I mean, outstanding to the point where that might be my favorite hike of the entire trip. But it's hot. It's now noon. If you do come here to the Snowies, Get to the trailheads early. It's a madhouse. It is just exactly what you'd expect. It is packed. What'd you think, buddy? Was it good? All right, we gotta find a place to refill with water, which there's a campground nearby. And I also have to throw away all that garbage that's just been sitting in here all morning, just stewing in the hot sun. It smells so good in here. Friends, we have a bull moose. We have a bull moose alert. I was just walking with Wyatt. We went past the first lake where he was swimming yesterday, and there's a second lake back there, and there's like 3 moose back there. One is a giant bull. Never captured a giant bull before. Let's go see what we can get. What do you think the odds are that he's still there? It's kind of a main road here, so you'll probably hear traffic in the background. We were just walking, and I saw a bunch of cars stopped. That gave me the clue that I needed. Forgot how we got in here. Buddy, how did we get in here? I don't see him. Wait, I think I might see him. Wyatt, you are going around a tree. Oh, I see that moose. He's very far away. Let's see what we can get. It does help when you take the lens cap off. I found it's like the #1 rule of photography. Take the lens cap off. There were 3 of them here. Oh, there's the other one. Oh, yeah. Oh, big boy. All right, I gotta get the tripod set up. The cheap tripod. Let's see if we can get some video. It's gonna be shaky. Don't get these many opportunities to spend time with these beautiful beasts. Oh, it's the bull. Oh, it's the bull. Oh yes, it's the bull. Oh, he's absolutely stunning. It's just these moments. I feel so blessed to be able to spend just a little bit of time with these guys. I just love wildlife so much. I just feel like they've let me into their world, even just for a moment. I can't wait for you to see this. I'm gonna put some cinematic music and slow motion and pictures. It's gonna be good. They're together.